Hi, buddies. Welcome back to Stationery Fest. Can you believe it? We are already at day 7, the grand finale of our Mixed Media Challenge. Today's page is really special because I am bringing together little pieces from everything we explored into one big celebration page. I thought of sharing 7 lessons I have learned through this journey. Lessons that might inspire you to start or fall in love with mixed media yourself. Lesson number 1. Start messy, not perfect. Mixed media has no rules. It's not about the perfect page, it's about the joy of creating. Lesson number 2. Every scrap has a story. That tiny pieces of paper, that sticker you almost threw away, even an odd magazine clipping, they all can become part of something beautiful. In mixed media, nothing is wasted. Every scrap has the power to tell a story. Lesson number 3. Layers create meaning. Mixed media is all about layers. Painting over paper, doodles over collage, words over color. Life has layers, and so does art. Lesson number 4. Play with texture and feel. It's not just about how your page looks, it's also about how it feels. Rough, smooth, bumpy, glossy. Textures bring your art to life. Lesson number 5. Words give meaning. In the middle of all the colors, layers, and patterns, adding a word, a phrase, or even a short note can give your page direction. Lesson number 6. Small details spark big joy. Tiny things can transform a page. Mixed media teaches us to notice the small joys. Lesson number 7. Creativity lives in freedom. Freedom to make mistakes. Freedom to express yourself without limits. So, today's page brings together all these lessons. Mess, scraps, layers, textures, words, details, and freedom. And what I have learned is that mixed media is not just an art form, it's a mindset. It teaches you to let go, to explore, to embrace imperfection, and to find beauty in unexpected. Thank you for joining me on this 7-day challenge. I hope you feel inspired to try mixed media in your own journal. Remember, creativity is not about the tools you use, it's about the joy you allow yourself to feel. So keep your pages messy, keep your heart open, and I'll see you soon with more creative adventures here on Stationery Fest.